Hi everybody, this is Rhino Ranger. I'm getting rather worried about Deviantart recently. So I got this message saying that new Deviantart launch happens on late May. Around May 20th, all deviants will grant access to the new version of Deviantart. The old version of the site will be retired. For those who don't know, let me just go to my other site for a minute. So this is my what the old DeviantArt looks like. You see the thing. I remember this type of DeviantArt since 2009 when I first came. This is what the Eclipse version looks like. Well, it was a lot darker before, but to me, I had trouble figuring this out. I mean, I was constantly scratching my head on where to go and what to do and stuff. So, and and you know that video I had of let me just switch back for a minute. See, that one wasn't featured. Yeah, I couldn't see this. This is the thing my Rhino Ranger Studios animated intro. And now I didn't like the Eclipse, so I went back to the original. I find the original functional for me, easier to control and stuff. But the fact that they are forcing the new Deviantart on us is it's just I don't know what to say. It's just it's worrying. That's all I have to say. It's very worrying. Well, and it may not necessarily affect my way on submitting arts. I'm worried this is going to affect my way on submitting Flash animations. I mean, when I went to Eclipse, the category of Flash has been removed. It's no longer there. It's replaced with digital animation. And this is surely a sign. This is a bit of a sign that that DeviantArt is going to stop supporting Flash before the Flash thing becomes completely obsolete in December 2020. This is going to affect me trying to submit my animations on DeviantArt. Now, I can still submit my animations on YouTube and Newgrounds. That's no problem. It's just that I don't think I can submit any more of my animations on DeviantArt. So after May 20th, I'm probably going to stop submitting animations on DeviantArt from that day forth. And in case you're wondering, no, I don't plan to submit my animations in video format. They take too long to process. You can still see them on YouTube, you can still see them on Newgrounds, but on DeviantArt, it's just going to be still images from now on. In case, and because of this, it may cut me. I'm just not really happy about this right now. There are several even several of my fellow DeviantArt users are having trouble accepting this. They're like, oh no, this is wrong. I mean, this is wrong on so many levels. I mean, that you shouldn't enforce this on us. YouTube, some things were kind of also enforced on us. I mean, I did find them garbage, but eventually I did get around to it. Maybe I will get around to this one, but it just confused. But I don't know. It just confused me. Hopefully, this will not have me. Hopefully, this will not have me completely abandon DeviantArt afterwards. But with the Eclipse thing, it's going to be difficult for me to submit animations. So YouTube, Newgrounds, okay. DeviantArt, after May 20th, I'm gonna stop. Still animations I'll still do, but no longer animations. Still images, I meant. No, but no longer animations. That's all I have to say, really. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I mean, I hope you understand this video if not enjoy it.